Hi, this is a brief introduction on how to use the CBE Thermal Comfort tool. So the CBE Thermal Comfort tool is divided into sections. The left side in which you have the input section and the right side where we have the output. So on the left side, we are able to change different input parameters. So for instance, if you want to play with it, we can try to change the operative temperature. We can either use the arrows or we can actually type in a value. So let's type in a value and we will see the changes reflected here on the right side. So these changes are reflected here, so we get an error message in this case because we are not inside the comfort region. We get some calculated results here at the top, and we see everything that we have selected here on the left side, how is changing this graph. So for instance, we can also change the metabolic rate, and consequently we can see that the thermal comfort region moved to the left on the psychrometric chart. If you're not familiar with the psychrometric chart, you can use the drop-down menu to select a different type of chart. So for instance, we can plot the same data on the relative humidity versus dry bulb temperature chart. At the bottom, you can find information on how to cite this webpage and how to report issues on GitHub. Thank you very much for listening.